In this video, we are going to install OBD2 Dashcam Hardwire Kit. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. This pack comes with two hardwire kits. The cable is 11.5 feet long. Its input is 12 to 26 volts. And its output is 5 volts, 2.1 amps. It has a built-in intelligent program chip to accurately detect battery voltage. This here is your ACC mode. When your car ACC is off, the OBD2 power supply will also turn off after 5 minutes. Flip the switch. This becomes your 24-hour surveillance mode when your car is off. When your battery voltage hits 11.6 volts, then the power supply will turn off after 30 seconds. This will prevent battery drainage. It has an easy plug-and-play design. Notice that there are only 2 pins, so your original OBD interface will not have any interference. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Simple installation. You're going to go ahead and find your OBD port. Take your plug and just insert it in. And then you're going to run the wire up to your dash cam. Then you go ahead and plug it into your dash cam. So right now it's on ACC. The car is off, so the camera's off, not recording. So when I start the car, camera should turn on. There it is. Now car is off, ACC is off. We're gonna go ahead and switch it to 24-hour surveillance. The car is still off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flip the switch, and that should turn the camera on. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.